Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. This is your soulmate love reading for December 2020. I hope it helped you out in some manner. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. And take whatever is resonating, because it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. Okay, Aquarius, gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. Okay, Aquarius, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section whatever if you want to tell me. Okay, thank you for supporting my channel. I really appreciate that. Let's see what are the messages for soulmate love reading. Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy. Help me out to deliver what are the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Okay, just fell out. Exchanging gift. Okay, exchanging gift. I'm going to take 5 cards. 5 messages, 5 energies from this deck, and then I'm going to clarify these cards. There is flexible. Okay. Then there is happy. happy. Okay. What are the messages? Breathe. Aquarius, you need to breathe right now. Let me take one more card, one more energy for you. A change in the wind. 2020. 0202 was the recording reading time. A change in the wind message is there. So let me see what are the cards mean. Let's see. What are exchanging gifts? Maybe you are exchanging gifts with someone, Aquarius. Beautiful messages for you are there today. There is happy. You have to breathe. Then there is change in the wind. Okay, let me. Okay, the law of giving and receiving. Love is an exchange of life force energy between two beings. It grows exceptionally when it's reciprocated. You must give and receive in order to love for flourish and abundance to flow between you. Spirits want you to start accepting all the blessings waiting for you, as well as offer the same gift in return. Open your heart and allow it to fill. Okay, let love in, let flow out of you. Okay, let's see what is exchange gifts. Clarify me why there is exchanging gifts. Wow, bottom of the deck I'm having spiritual union, Aquarius. This is your soulmate with the power and prosperity begins. You're getting more powerful than before, Aquarius. You're getting your prosperity begins, and here it is. Spiritual union. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, your twin flame. Okay, what is flexible? Clarify me why there is flexible. Okay, third eye chakra, bottom of the deck I'm having destiny. You are getting more intuitive than before. You're getting open your third eye, Aquarius. Okay, you're getting more flexible than before. Your third eye chakra is opening up. That was the destiny return for you. Why there is happy? Why there is happy? Clarify. Happy. 7 of stand your ground, Aquarius. You need to stand your ground. There is an intuition message here, so use your intuition. Your intuition is telling you something. Why there is happy card here? Clarify happy. What does the happy card mean? Wow. Harmony. Can you see There is a couple here. There is an harmony coming your way in you, between you and your divine counterpart. The harmony is coming your way. Beautiful. Clarify me, breathe. Empress. Fertility. You are rising as an Empress Aquarius. This is you. Okay. You are taking a birth. You are taking you are giving birth to something, Aquarius, either to a new idea. Some of you can be get pregnant. Fertility is there. Empress is someone who is motherly caring figure. This is you. You need to breathe right now, okay, because the trumpet is here. Chariot. Beautiful, beautiful. Why there is a change in the wind? Clarify me, change in the wind. Clarify a change in the wind. There is something in which there is change coming for sure. Why there is change in the wind? Beautiful. Partnership and alliances are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, there is a change in the wind. There is partnership and alliances which are coming for you. There is accelerated motion. Okay, then there is positive movement forward. Beautiful messages for you. So let me clarify from the tarot also, and let me see what are the messages for you. If you're getting more active, Aquarius, your third eye chakra is getting more, Aquarius, open. You're becoming more flexible than before. There is prosperity which is getting begin for you. Okay, you are very happy. And why are you very happy? Because the harmony in your life is coming for sure. Okay, you are rising as an Empress. There is a change in the wind, that there is positive movement is forward. There is positive movement forward going on. Again, this flip out, 6 of Pentacles. Okay, so there is accelerated motion. There are partnership and alliances which are coming for you. Okay, so let's start your clarification. What is the meaning of exchanging gifts? Clarify me, exchanging gifts. Clarify me, exchanging gifts. No. Clarify what is the meaning of exchanging gifts. Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Maybe in the past, 3 of Swords and King of Swords. Maybe in the past your heart was broken by someone, but now you have to be more open, Aquarius. You are taking the energy of King of Swords. Don't take the energy of King of Swords, because Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor. You have to be more emotionally available right now. Okay, don't be in that energy of don't be in that energy of unemotional availability. Emotionally unavailable, that's the word I'm getting for you. Don't be in that energy of King of Swords. Okay, just you have to be more open to receive. You have to exchange gifts. Clarify me, exchange gifts. Wow, see, Ace of Swords, 10 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups, Aquarius. Beautiful, you are getting your clarity. Okay, don't be in this energy of 9 of Wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 9 of Wands. I know you're ready to protect yourself, but don't be, Aquarius. You just have to be more open. There is 2 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and Ace of Swords. Abundance of everything. 2 of Cups is also about sharing, equal amount of give and take. Can you see? This is beautiful. Can you see in the both pictures there are 2 hands, there are 2 hands, and there is 2 hands joining. Prosperity is beginning because there is 2 of Cups. You and your divine counterpart, you and your soulmate is holding hand to each other. Okay, and they're offering you 10 of Pentacles. Beautiful it is. Clarify me flexible. Clarify flexible. I know you're putting lots of efforts, time into your relationship, but you are holding back with someone. But don't hold back, Aquarius. Don't hold back. You have to make a choice. You are at the crossroads. Okay, you have to be more flexible. Your third eye chakra is getting open. You have put lots of efforts, time, energy into some relationship, into something, but now you have to make a choice, Aquarius. Okay, there is a choice which you have to make. Why there is Aquarius? Happy. Clarify happy. Why there is happy? I love the card here. I love the card. Why I'm saying it? Because can you see this girl is very happy and holding a star in the hand. Beautiful. Why there is happy? Clarify happy. King of Cups. Okay. Why there is happy? Strength. Clarify happy. Clarify. Beautiful. That's why you are very happy. After spending so many sleepless nights, 1144 was the recording reading time. You were unable to sleep at night for so long period of time, Aquarius. There is someone around you who is this King of Cups. They are keeping their strength with them and they're trying to come towards you. This is your divine counterpart, okay? Harmony. Can you see they are offering you Sun? Sun is the happiest deck in the tarot. Happy, the Sun. They're trying to give you new hopes, new desires, new beginnings in life. Can you see how this is beautiful? The happy is clarified by the Sun. That's why you are very happy, because they are trying to give you new beginnings in love, new beginnings in life. Okay. Why there is breathe? Why there is breathe? Clarify me breathe. Okay, clarify breathe. This is you. The Star and Six of Swords, Aquarius. Okay. You're hoping for new hopes, new desires. You're coming towards a calmer waters. That's why you have to you can breathe right now, Aquarius. Take some kind of breathe, okay? Do not worry at all. Okay, you're coming towards a calmer waters. You are getting new hopes, new desires. Beautiful, because you're getting Sun here. What else you want, Aquarius? Okay, please clarify change in the wind. Why there is change in the wind? Clarify change in the wind. Clarify change in the wind. Clarify me change in the wind. Why there is change in the wind? Clarify change in the wind. Help me out to clarify what is change in the wind. Why there is change in the wind? Clarify me change in the wind. Beautiful. You're dealing with your divine counterpart, Aquarius. There is King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Both are there. King of Cups and Queen of Cups. Both are here, Aquarius. Okay. So there is someone, Aquarius, who is taking the energy of King of Wands. They are very passionate. There is someone who is very passionate, full of passion towards you. Okay, they're very attractive, creative, mysterious. They're rushing towards you to give you Ace of Wands. Lot of passion they are offering you, Aquarius. Okay, lots of passion they are trying to give you. Ace of Wands is there. Okay, and after spending so many sleepless nights, Nine of Swords, Nine of Wands, okay, ready to fight anytime, protecting yourself, getting defensive. Okay, after spending so many sleepless nights and after spending so many things in your life, you're getting your Ace of Cups and Queen of Cups. Emotional fulfillment, Aquarius. You're getting your Ace of Cups and wow, Queen of Cups is also about intuitions. Use your intuitions, Aquarius. Okay, this is your divine counterpart, your soulmate. Let me see what is the advice. Give me the advice for Aquarius. Give me the advice. Give me the advice from the divine, from the universe. Help me out for advice for soulmate reading. Give me the advice. What is the advice from the divine, from the universe? Give me the divine universe advice for soulmate love reading for Aquarius. What is the advice? Magician, Seven of Cups, King of Swords again, and the Hierophant, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Six of Cups. There is someone from your past, okay? You both know each other and you have spent many past lives together. This is someone... This is your soulmate too, because Six of Cups is also a soulmate card. You are manifesting it, Aquarius. You are manifesting your soulmate. Maybe right now you are having lots of options open. Okay, Seven of Cups is there, Magician and King of Swords and Hierophant is there. Okay, you are either going to get married to this person or you were married to this person, Aquarius. Okay, the King of Swords and the King of Swords again has come. Let me see advice. Give me the advice. Communication is coming towards you. What is the advice for Aquarius? What is the advice? They're rushing towards you. Again, the Knight of Swords is there, bottom of the deck. Okay. There must be, again, the Three of Swords is there. There were conflicts. There were third-party situation going on. But now you're getting your clarity. Now you're getting your clarity. Ace of Swords is there. So that was your soulmate love reading. Okay. Beautiful reading for you, Aquarius. Why I'm saying that? Because this is your divine counterpart which you are dealing with. King of Cups, Queen of Cups and the Sun. Beautiful. Beautiful reading for you today. Let me see. What are the messages from Divine Energy Oracle? Be open to love. Again, the message is there. You have to be more open, Aquarius. You are emotionally unavailable. Okay, you have to be more open to receive. Let me see. What are the messages? What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Speak up. Bottom of the deck, I'm having speak up. You need to speak up something, Aquarius. Okay. There is a wake up call for yourself. Do all things in moderation. Okay, try to eat everything which is healthy. Try to eat as much as healthy you can, Aquarius. Then there is nurture yourself first. Okay, nurture yourself first. Ask with sincerity. Okay, you need to ask with sincerity. Make necessary sacrifices. Wake up call is there, Aquarius. Again, the Tower moment. There is a wake up call which is happening in your life. And become a clear channel. If you are manifesting something, Aquarius, become a clear channel. Don't send mixed signals to the universe. Then the universe will be unable to send you the thing which you are manifesting it, because you are sending the mixed signals for them. So they are unable to send you. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, Energy Oracle, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for lovely Aquarius twin flame from the twin flame Oracle deck. Let me see what are the messages. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Beautiful Aquarius, your twin flame awakening is happening. Okay, you're getting closer, you're getting awareness. Then there is physical meeting. Wow, rejoice, you are drawing closer. Then there is collective energies. Collective energies and lessons. Reacting to outside influence. Answers arriving. Then there is love, beliefs, limitations and underlying blocks. What are the messages for twin flame who are in twin flame journey? Give me the messages. What are the important messages which I need to deliver? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having healthy sexuality. Okay, balancing the physical flow of love. 2244 was the recording reading time. Okay, Aquarius, let's start your messages. So first message for your twin flame and you are collective energies and lessons. Reacting to outside influences. Okay, there are some outside influences which you and your twin flame is reacting right now. Then there is love, beliefs, limitations and underlying blocks. Beautiful message for you is twin flame awakening, growing clear, closer and gaining awareness. Your twin flame awakening is happening, Aquarius. Some of you Aquarius are getting awakened. Okay, twin flame awakening is happening for you and your twin flame. Then there is physical meeting in imminent. Rejoice, you are drawing closer because you're getting awakening is happening, Aquarius. That's why you're getting close to each other. Maybe you're going to meet your twin flame in physical way, the physical world. Okay, you are getting to meet. There is physical meeting indicated here. Then there are answers arriving. We are working to bring you what you have asked for. Beautiful Aquarius, what you are asking for your twin flame, your divine counterpart, and the answers are coming for you. Then there is twin flame stages. You are always connected, union commencing. Beautiful message. Then there is go outside, the healing and miracles that nature brings. Okay, you have to go outside and heal yourself. Then there is a self-love. Alchemy of hearts. You have to self-love is indicated. You need to love yourself first. Then there is look beyond illusion. There is more to existence than the physical reality. You have to look beyond illusion, Aquarius. Look at the bigger picture. There is more that you do not know about it. Birthday, new beginnings, a significant birthday in focus, a cycle restart. New beginnings are coming for you, Aquarius. That is the message for you and your twin flame. Beautiful. Then there are soul contracts. You are in the process of ending old cycles. That's why there is a birthday message for you, because you are in process of holding old contracts, old cycles. That's why there is new beginnings. Okay, new beginning of new cycles beginning. Beautiful message for you. Then there is attachment codes. Start a new, open to love. Okay, start a new, open to love. Thank you so much, twin flames, for giving the beautiful messages for you. Let me see what are the messages from your twin flame. Okay, what do they think? What do they feel? What do your twin flame, your soulmate, wants to tell you? Let me tell you that what they want to tell you. Okay, they want to tell you that you hold me tight. Okay, you are always there when I need you. Okay, then they want to tell you that you are my best friend. Beautiful message. So many things they want to tell you. Okay. You make me a positive person. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you, Aquarius, make them a positive person. You are cute and adorable. Okay, you make me smile. You are crazy and dorky. You love me for what I am. Then they want to tell you that you treat me like princess or prince, whatever you can say, like according to your gender. You make me feel secure. Your soulmate wants to tell you that you make them feel secure, Aquarius. You look deep into my eyes. Beautiful. Then they want to tell you that you can read my mind. Okay. You are dedicated in our relationship. You never give up on me. Beautiful feelings for you, Aquarius, from your soulmate. These are the things what they were feeling for you. Beautiful. Let's add some charms and close out your reading. Okay, the signs which I am right now seeing is, the signs which you can be dealing with can be a Leo. Okay, then there is Gemini. Okay, Gemini is there. There is a big clove leaf, Aquarius. Good luck, good fortune is coming your way. The luck is on your side. Okay, then there is leaf here too. The clove leaf is here again. A big clove leaf and a small clove leaf. Good luck is here on your side. There is an elephant. That means that lots of strength is coming for you. Keep your strength with you. You need to keep your strength. Okay, Aquarius. Then there is tree in pair, Aquarius. You and your divine counterpart. Okay, you're dealing with your divine counterpart. The tree is here in the same color. Okay. Then there is flower again in two, in a pair, in a couple. You both are becoming like a flower, blooming, blossoming like a flower. Beautiful. There is an angel wing here. Okay, angel wing is here. There is an angel who is protecting you, Aquarius. The golden feather is here. The wing is here. Okay. There is an angel who is taking care of you and your twin flame. You do not have to worry at all. There is a palm hand here. Again, a good fortune, good news, good fortune, good luck. Okay, is favoring you. You have good luck with you. Then there is a butterfly. Your transformation is taking place. You're getting converted into butterfly. Beautiful transformation is taking place for you. There is a gold leaf for you here again. Then there is a star and moon. I'll show you like that. There is a star and there is a moon. New hopes, new desires, getting more intuitive. Then there is a feather here, a golden feather is here. Okay, then there is a tree which is being connected by both sides. That means you and your twin flame is they're connected by one tree, by one soul, because you both are one. Okay, it has two ends. So these are the messages for you and your twin flame, your soulmate. Let's add one more thing and close out your reading. This is what life purpose you and your soulmate is having in this life journey. Let me see that. Give me what life purpose is Aquarius and their soulmate is having in this life journey. First message is trust. Trust your feelings and dreams to guide your career path. Aquarius, you need to choose your career, but you have to keep your trust. Okay. Then there is flowers again coming for you. Working with flowers, open your heart and bring blessings to others through your life purposes. So flowers are important in your life purpose, Aquarius. Maybe you are having a life purpose around flowers. You are dealing with flowers. Flowers open your life. Okay, then there is yoga. Your life is enhanced by yoga, stretching and exercise. Yoga is important in your life purpose. So do yoga as much as you can. So this was your soulmate love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Okay. Take care of yourself, my beautiful magical beings. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to each of you, Aquarius, all over the world. See you soon, Aquarius.